Hello and welcome to another episode of Drawing is Fun. In this episode I'll show you how to draw a button. File, don't save. Well, as you can hear, I'm a bit under the weather, but does that stop me from making a video for y'all? No, it does not. Alright, buttons. We all know and love them. Even the Sugar Babes had a song about it called Push That Button. Although I heard through the grapevines that it wasn't really about buttons at all, but about the female private parts and how they like it to be touched a certain way. Of course I don't know anything about this, I am innocent. Buttons. Alright, let's draw them. Today I'm going to focus on the circular button, so no square or hexagons. Alright. If you don't know how to draw a circle, please let me remind you I made a video about how to draw a donut, which you can find right here. Okay, did you see it? Good. Let's draw a circle. There. You've drawn a circle. Now we're not going to draw a little circle in it, because then it would be a donut, and of course we don't want to draw a button, don't get confused. Alright. This button is fine, I guess, but it could be a lot of things. It could also be something else, and it doesn't look inviting to touch, does it? To be pushed like a button. So what can we do? That's right, we're going to make it 3D. Now, you probably already know this if you've seen my video on how to draw a 2D and 3D door. Well, okay. It is quite similar to that. We're going to draw a little moon on the side. Oh, it's okay if you mess up. We're all human. We're going to draw a little moon on the side. And just like that. Actually, I don't really like that one. Just like that, it looks like a button that you just want to push, doesn't it? Like this. And that is because it looks 3D. But in reality, if we go to the side, you can see it is just a flat screen. But of course, this is a little trick that we as illustrators have, and we can make things look really realistic. It is still only a flat image, but it looks very pushable. Thank you. This was on how to draw a button. Next time I'll draw something else as well.